These letters look so messy. Some are big and some are too small. I try my best, but it still doesn't look nice. I don't feel happy when I look at my notebook. Let me think for a moment. I don't want to keep writing like this. Yes, I know what I should do now. I will learn calligraphy. This place looks calm. I feel a little nervous, but also excited. I hope I can learn something new today.
Welcome. Do you want to learn calligraphy?
Yes, I do. I want my writing to look neat and clean.
You are in the right place. We will learn step by step.
This paper looks very clean. It feels smooth when I touch it. This is a calligraphy pen. It looks different from your school pen. Oh, it feels heavier. It feels strong in my hand. Let me dip the pen. I made a mistake! The ink dropped on the table.
It is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes help us learn.
Hold the pen softly. Do not press too hard.
My hand is shaking. I feel a little scared.
Relax your grip. Try again.
This line looks better. Hello, my name is Anna. My writing was bad on my first day too. Really? That makes me feel relaxed. I was worried about my writing.
Watch carefully. ABC.
My letters are not perfect, but they look neat. I am learning.
That's wonderful, Lucy. Keep practicing.
Pen, ink, paper. Pen, ink, paper.
Press softly for thin lines. Press harder for thick lines.
Wow, the letters changed. This is amazing. Lucy. This is my name. It looks nice. Thank you. I feel happy. My hand hurts. Take a short rest. Oh no, I made a mistake. This time it looks better.
Do not write words too close. Not too close, not too far.
My writing looks clean.
Clean tools are important. See you tomorrow, Lucy.
See you tomorrow. I will practice again. Time to practice some more calligraphy.
What are you working on, Lucy?
My calligraphy! Look how much I've improved. This was my old one, and this is the new one. I woke up early today. I want to practice before school. My letters are getting better each time. Wow, Lucy! Did you write this? It looks so pretty. Yes, I've been learning calligraphy. It's really fun. Can you teach me someday? My writing is so messy. Of course! We can practice together after school. Hold the pen softly, like this. Don't press too hard. Okay, I'll try. It feels different from my pencil. You're doing great. Just relax your wrist. Oh no, my line is shaky. It doesn't look good. That's normal. My first lines were shaky too. Keep practicing. Look! This line is better! I did it! Good job, Sarah! You're learning fast. This is more fun than I thought. Yes, practicing with a friend makes it even better. What's that? A heart? Yes, you can add little decorations. It makes your writing special. That's so neat. My heart looks funny. It's all crooked. That's okay. Mistakes help us learn, remember? My heart looks funny. It's all crooked. That's okay. Mistakes help us learn, remember? I see you have a new student today. Welcome, Sarah. Thank you. This is really fun. Let me show you a tricky letter. Watch the curve of the S. Wow, it looks so smooth. Lucy, yours looks just like the teacher's. I've been practicing this one a lot at home. Mine is too skinny. It looks like a snake. Let's try again together. 1, 2, 3, go! S. Yours is perfect this time, Sarah. My hand is tired, but I don't want to stop. We should rest a little, then we can practice more. Good idea. A quick break sounds perfect. Much better. Ready for round 2? Let's practice our calligraphy. Let's write our full names. Okay. Lucychen, Sarahkim. Beautiful work, girls! Wow, that's beautiful. I love the shape. Thanks. I'm adding some details now. It looks great. Keep going. Okay, here comes the fun part. Yes, it's perfect. We make a good team. You both worked very hard today. Here's a small gift. Thank you so much. Remember to clean your pen. Clean tools last longer. Got it. Wipe gently and put the cap on. Same time tomorrow? Yes! I can't wait to practice more. Me too! See you then! From messy letters to beautiful writing. I never thought I could do it. If I can learn, you can learn too. Just practice every day. See you next time. If I can learn calligraphy, you can learn too. Practice every day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.